Porsche Cayenne replacement dual screen process. Pry open the side covers on the left and right sides. Unscrew the trend fixing screws on both sides. Take out the trend on both sides. Use a small screwdriver to pry open the reverse buckle inside the trend. Take out the air outlet. Screw to the display screen fixing screw. Remove the display. Pay special attention after removing the display screen. Be sure to see if there are air ducts on the left and right sides. If there is such an air duct, the saddle needs to be removed. If you don't have this duct, you don't need to remove the saddle. Be sure to pay attention. Turn the shift knob buckle to the right. Remove the handle. Don't press this button. Use a small screwdriver to pry open the reverse buckle inside the air outlet. Then take out the air outlet. Unscrew the fixing screws. Unscrew the armrest box fixing screw. Remove the armrest. Unscrew the armrest box cover fixing screw. Take out the armrest box cover. After prying open the air conditioner decorative panel, unscrew the fixing screw of the water cup face frame. Unscrew the ashtray fixing screw. Pry open the gear frame. Unplug the cable. Pry open the saddle control panel. Unplug the cable. Unplug the cigarette holder cable. Unscrew the saddle fixing screw. Remove the saddle. Pry open the passenger trim. Unscrew the fixing screw. Pry open the buckles on the left and right sides of the air duct. Take out the left and right air ducts. Use this adapter duct to remove the saddle. If you don't remove the saddle, you need to cover it with a high-end special air duct cover. Unscrew the fixing screw. Pry open the ceiling pipe to interface cover. If you don't remove the saddle, install the high-end special air duct cover. Fixing screw. Duct flat display base. Fix duct screw. Install our air ducts on both sides. Right, the middle buckle. Secure the air duct with the original car buckles. Use our cover plate to cover the left and right sides of the original car trim. Connect the original left and right air ducts to our company's air ducts. Saddle up and start healing. Fix all saddle screws and control panel. Pry open the steering wheel side cover. Unscrew the two fixing screws on the trend. Install the duct extension pipe. Original car power cord plug. Take out the original car fiber optic cable. Take out our fiber optic cable. Remove the plastic protective cap. Connect to our fiber optic box. The original car fiber optic cable is inserted into our fiber optic box. Budding fiber optic cable. Connect the power cord. USB cable. Radio antenna. GPS antenna. Fiber optic cable connected to the display. Docking power cord. 4 grams card slot cable. Rear line of sight. The protocol box is plugged in. Plug the USB cables into the display screen. Protocol and resistance. Radio antenna. GPS antenna. 4 grams antenna. 2 button lines. The co-pilot installs a duct sponge. Install the driver's side air outlet. Install the display screen and align the screw holes. Fix display screws. Install the buckles on both sides of the air outlet. Install the air outlet. Fix the trend screw. Install the buckles on the top trim strip. Install the top trim strip. Install the buckles on the bottom trim strip. Install the bottom trim strip. Let's take a look at the overall effect.